I was surprised when I met with Malvi Sahiba about 10 days back, and when I got to know the wonderful contribution she's doing through BISP, and we started exploring ideas of art complementing their wonderful work. And I realized that the people that are being approached or reached out to are mostly women. As Mavi was telling me that women folk are the focal persons in each and every household because they are more trustworthy, which is very, very true. Because I still trust my mother's judgment the most when she told me that you are an artist, and I started believing it and I became an artist. The other reason for that is that the most valuable document, the unwritten document for any land or country is the cultural narrative of a land, which has the power of binding or bringing the individual close to his or her surrounding. And when you understand life deep enough, then you can achieve clarity, and clarity is the thing that takes you forward and leads you to the path of becoming an informed decision maker in society. And that perhaps is the reason why everybody is striving for contributing something. I was telling Ms. Malvi that the women folk, being the tradition bearer and the main contributors of the cultural narrative, has to be empowered. And Pakistan, which is a wonderfully diversified country in terms of cultural expressions or the heritage, we are proud to be the custodians of a cultural heritage that is almost 9,500 years old and full of very, very valuable imprints by everybody, whether they were invaders or the local people. Like we refer to Brahui language. I'm from Balochistan, and Brahui is one of the languages which is of Dravidian origin. And Mehergarh is supposed to be that place which is the oldest. Since then, the land of Pakistan has been enriched like a tapestry, like a wonderful tapestry, by the imprints and contributions of our wonderful artisans, craftspeople. And the most important among them are the women folks. You can imagine a woman from far-flung, far-fetched areas of Balochistan creating wonderful embroidery and, end of the day, losing their eyesight and getting exploited by the middlemen. Likewise, the Sindhi women creating wonderful rallies and other things. If these people are empowered, if they are provided conducive environment in different areas, and I'm sure your database has a treasure of information in such places. If these places are identified, and I'll be most willing to contribute my bit to you as an artist and from the platform for PNCA to go there and work with them and find ways and means of empowering them so that they can produce things with a new awareness, which is market-oriented, which is maybe high fashion, which is more acceptable, which is more impressive. And that can empower them in every possible way. When they're empowered economically, they'll gain respectability in their societies. Like the people, I mean, we boost of being very, very cultured, but we call our artisans or musicians dhooms or marasis or kamis. So they'll elevate and go beyond that status which is forced upon them. And they can come into the mainstream and become productive individuals of this society and eventually make decisions that can benefit Pakistan. Thank you.